Kenneth Tortoise Capital, April 23rd, 2026, market daily visualization. So we're going to adjust our price open, adjust down, adjust the auto short, auto long still good. The days 2 through 5, it's the low. Adjust the back, adjust the regression line, adjust the 30-period regression line. Just one pop. Adjust the 30-day window. Adjust the 270 window. Try the 150 window. Adjust PSR stop. 30 looks pretty good. Now adjusting 150-day regression. All systems point to upward slopes. First time in a while. Didn't fail too far without recovering today, so that's a small sign of weakness.